Hello children, how are you all? Hope that all of you are fine. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the computer software. This is our second chapter of third class. A computer parts are mainly divided into two types. First one is hardware, second one is software. What is hardware? Hardware means all physical parts of a computer, and software means it is a collection of programs or set of instructions. In this chapter we are discussing about only the computer software. Okay, so what is software? The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. So we have to underline that definition. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. Up to there. Okay. Then software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. That means they are providing the instructions to work a computer. Okay. Here some pictures are given. Windows XP, that Microsoft Word, some games. These are the examples of computer softwares. Software makes the hardware parts to work. We cannot see and touch software. For example, a mobile phone is a hardware, but the SMS feature of that phone is a software part. Okay. Then software is again divided into two types. First one is application software and the second one is system software. First let us check the application software. Application software means it helps in doing some special works. For example, paint, calculator, like arithmetical for like that arithmetical calculations, etc. Okay. Mama, that games, Microsoft Word, Notepad, Windows Media Player are the examples of this application software. The next one is system software. System software that manages the overall activities of a computer system. Okay. So what is the difference between application software and system software? System software manages the overall activities of a computer, but the application software does only specific works. Then next difference between application software and system software is application software requires system software to run. Then system software does not need application software for working. Okay. This is the main difference between application software and system software. Okay. So it was a small lesson. In this lesson only we are talking about the what is the meaning of system software and what are the differences between system software and application software. So let's go through some quick recap. Software is a set of instructions. There are two types of software, application software and system software. System software controls the overall activities of a computer. Application software helps us in doing some specific work only. Okay. Now let us check the exercise part. First one, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The Paint program is an example of software. Question number 2. Software is a set of programs. Third one, to multiply two numbers to use the calculator program. Then fourth one, Windows is an operating system. Next type is fill in the blanks. First one, hardware and software help the computer to work. Second one, software is a set of programs or instructions. Third one, there are two types of software, application software and system software. And last one is system software is like a manager that manages all the activities of a computer. Okay. Then next one, answer the following. Question number 1, what do you mean by software? Answer is, software is the set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Question number 2, what is application software? Answer is, application software does some specific task. Question number 3, what is system software? System software controls and manages the overall functions of a computer. And question number 4, write the difference between system software and application software. The first difference between application software and the system software is, application software does some specific work only and the system software manages the overall activities of a computer. Second difference is, application software requires system software to run, but the system software does not need application software for working. Question number 5, give an example of each application software and system software. System software is Windows 7 and the application software is Paint. Okay. So let's wind up the today's session. Thank you all.